Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Palagar. I am radiation oncologist. Today, we'll talk about the cancer awareness. So, as we know, the breast cancer is the most common cancer in females in India. So, we will talk about the screening programs which are available and who are the females who are at high risk, average risk, and what are the risk factors. So, before going into the details, I would like to tell you a little bit about the risk factors of the breast cancer. So the patients who have family history of breast cancer, ovarian cancer, prostate cancer, they are at a higher risk of getting breast cancer or any other cancer. So the average risk, if a family member is positive, then it is twice the normal risk. The second is if the patient already had some breast cancer, like in the one breast, the patient already had a breast cancer, then these patients are also at higher risk of getting breast cancer again. There are some gene mutations which are called as BRCA1 or BRCA2 mutations. If the patient family history is of either mother or some family relative had this first degree family relatives have BRCA1, BRCA2 mutation, screening should be done more frequently, and because these patients are at 4 times more risk of getting the cancers. So other high risk features are if the hormone replacement therapy has been used in the postmenopausal age. These do not directly cause the cancer, but they increase the chances of getting the breast cancer. The other factors are the early age at menarche, late age at menopause, a longer interval between the menarche and first stage of pregnancy, if the breastfeeding not been done ever, or the female has not get pregnant because she is nulliparous female, obese, addictions like smoking, alcohol. So these are the certain risk factors in which there are higher chances of getting a breast cancer. Various things that can be done for the screening, like mammogram, breast self-examination, the clinical breast examination. So it's important to know at what age these things needs to be done. If you say about the breast self-examination, the guidelines say that it should be done annually or every 3 yearly in the age group of 25 to 39 years, and it should be done annually starting from the age of 40 years. Same as implies to the mammogram, it should be started from the age of 40 years, because before that generally in the younger females the breasts are dense, so mammogram is not that helpful in that age group. So it should be started at the age of 40 years, and it should be done either 6 monthly or annually. And at what age it should be stopped, that is around 75 years, and the final clinical decision has to be taken with your consultant. So these are some of the risk factors, the risk categories, and how to implement these things in your routine life. Thank you.